Previously on Ironman Toy Story.
Let's make roasted mackerel with teriyaki sauce. Number 1. Prepare a mackerel. Number 2. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Number 3. Mix with starch powder. Starch powder alleviates fishy smell. Number 4. Making teriyaki sauce. Prepare a bowl. Add sugar, chopped garlic, soy sauce, and teriyaki sauce and mix all together. Number 5. Grilled mackerel. Prepare a frying pan and put oil on it. When the frying pan gets hot, put mackerel. Fry both sides of the mackerel evenly. When the mackerel roast is finished, please put the teriyaki sauce. Sprinkle sliced chives on the roasted mackerel. It looks like it's finished, and looks pretty good. Hey Korean boy, let me try some now. Wow, delicious. It does not seem so bad to live with Korean in Thailand. Shall I stay here for a while?